Posada on the line here.
What information do you have for your tenant that was here?
The tenant information, let me grab it out of the car. And Posada has the lease too. I don't have it in my possession right now. She can email it to you. That's Chanel's number.
Is that 246?
Yes, sir.
Maybe a better question is who's paying? Who's writing you the checks? Is that
The federal government is. So even by the federal government, they're breaking the drug laws for the federal laws. So you would be aiding and abetting in a federal drug crime because there's drugs in the house. So either way, if he wants to say he's on a Posada grant, it's a federal mandated no drugs.
That's part of the lease agreement.
And so it's a federal thing, yeah.
It's a federal violation.
We've already notified the DEA last night. Chanel is actually this tenant here, or I'm not tenant, but the owner at 840, Jimmy, the officer. He said that he spoke to her grandfather and that she's over there at family because she's afraid of this man because he has a gun and threatened her life.
He actually talked to Chanel yesterday.
Oh.
So he was out. Carl was out here yesterday.
Yeah, she was at the YWCA yesterday, so I went and I spoke to her over there.
Yeah. So you might ask Jimmy, because he spoke to her family, and they also said this man is dangerous, and they also confirmed that he's not to be here, and that's why she left.
We'll be over there in a minute.
What's this guy's name?
He is...
It's not Terry Stevens.
Hold on, let me get you his name.
And so if we want to talk to Jimmy too, because he knows the Chanel's family, and then you can confirm this man is illegally in this premises. And we have it all
So
recorded.
what is this Chanel saying at YWCA?
Chanel,
She allow him to stay?
she
He was
did.
staying here?
They've been dating for... He says they've been dating for 8 months. She says 5 months. She's allowed him to move in with her. And like I explained to the ladies from Posada yesterday, that we can't kick him out because she's the one that violated the contract. We can't kick him out because she allowed him in. She violated the contract, so they need to go through the eviction process.
Well, then you need to get his identifying information. So we'll go file a restraining order right now, and then we'll serve him, and then we'll come back here and we'll arrest him for a restraining order violation.
His name is
Okay.
Aaron Ward.
So please let Aaron know
He's
I'm going to
clear.
go file a restraining order, and then he'll be on trespassing and a restraining order violation. And I really don't want him to be in trouble with the law. So if he wants to leave, he needs to leave. He's going to be leaving anyways. A restraining order or eviction. So it's better he just leaves now so he doesn't get arrested.
Yeah, because what's going on is that Chanel has a new boyfriend now, and she tried to use the boyfriend to scare him to get him out of the house yesterday.
Okay. Well, she hasn't told us that. In fact, I have text messages from her that he was not to be in this property. And by the federal grants, he's not supposed to be here.
Yeah,
I was just over here about a week and a half ago,
2 days.
and he was not here.
Yeah,
Well, she's probably trying to be in the good graces of Posada and not violating
she's telling
the
you one
contracts in
thing
case
and
she has to
doing
fall
one
back
thing.
on that.
Right.
And
What was the last one?
And I understand
Ward.
those things if she's doing that, but that's not what's
and
told
then
to
like,
us.
like the ladies
So
from
we're all
Posada,
getting mixed messages.
Like the ladies from Posada yesterday told me that they weren't even aware that she had a child. And when they went inside the house, there's child belongings in there.
Right.
And she does. And yesterday when I spoke to her, she did have her son.
Okay.
And so they weren't even aware of her son. And she was trying to say a bunch of stuff too. And I told her, she said that he only moved in, that he's only been in there for about less than a week, but he's
So
been
he's
in there
still
longer
not
than
legally
that.
a tenant. Well, he hasn't, because I was here over like less than a week
If he's there
ago.
less than a week.
He still
2
hasn't.
weeks to establish that.
So if you don't
then-
mind
then
telling
if
him,
that's the case, then, you know, because it takes a while to get all that marijuana stuff in there and to get those dogs and all that stuff. So he's been
you
here.
can do that in a matter of an hour. We've cleaned houses out in an hour.
Clean the house out.
Yeah, that's unsubstantiated.
That's
However, if you don't mind telling him that I'm going to get a restraining order and he'll be charged with trespassing, restraining order violations, You know, it's better if he just leaves. And we want him to be peaceful and not be in trouble with the law if he can just leave.
Okay.
Okay, that's all we're asking.
Okay,
And
sure.
that's what we wanted
And
him
he's
to
going
do
to be
yesterday.
evicted.
We
So
offered-
Okay.
We offered him yesterday. That offer's off the table, but we offered him yesterday. He could find some friends. I have a truck. We'll help you move your things out. You won't have to pay for gas. We'll take care of it. Just get out.
yeah, we need you to tell him to get
And-
out, or we want trespasses
We
charges.
said we'll be back at 8 o'clock tonight. If we don't hear from you, we're going to have
Yeah.
to. This is the procedure.
Yeah, you're
He's
gonna see,
saying-
you're,
he's saying
he's gonna
we're
have to
threatening.
be. He's gonna have to be served the papers first, though, so that this way he's aware.
No, he's
of it.
already trespassing at
All
this
we have
point.
to do is go down to the court and get restitution, and we can get that from
Oh,
Chanel.
yeah.
Chanel's vacated the property. The lease person vacated
Yes.
the property. We're here to secure the property. She left. She told
He
us
has
she
no
left.
legal
He
cause
has
to
no
be
legal
here.
cause
None.
To be here.
Even when Chanel said you have to leave, he did not leave.
Okay.
Whether they're dating or not, Chanel said you leave, and he didn't. And I
So-
have it all recorded, sir.
Yeah,
So-
but if she's allowed him to live there, she has.
It doesn't
she's
matter.
left.
She
Yes, it
told
is.
him
Well,
to leave.
I'm not going to argue
She
this.
vacated
I'm not
the
going to.
property.
I'm not going to argue this with you
We're
guys.
securing.
If I go to your house, let's put it a different way. If I go to your house and I squat on your couch and you say, get out, you don't have a lease agreement
I
with
have
me,
to evict you.
then no, you can
Yes.
you can order me
I'm
out,
not
you can
gonna
arrest
argue with
me.
you, ma'am.
Because an eviction is only for
I'm not
tenants,
gonna
sir.
argue with you.
It's only for tenants.
I'm not
It's
gonna
not for
argue.
burglars.
Okay.
Right. Let's go get a restraining order.
Get the rest of the legal work. Wait, he's still got my phone.
Who does?
This officer up here, he's still on the phone with Veronica.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's in violation of federal law.